Take a look at this 2022 FX4 F350. Take a look at these rims and tires. Beautiful. How about this power steps? This is a platinum edition with the two-tone mahogany leather inside. It's absolutely beautiful. .7 liter Power Stroke diesel, platinum F350. Take a look at this deer guard front bumper setup. It's just wild, made by ranch hand. If you have a ranch or need a work truck, this is first class work truck. So take a look at this truck. It's beautiful. It's in very good condition. It's a 2022 with about